What's up, everyone? It's Eric with Option Edge, and today I want to show you a trade that I'm pretty bullish on and got some good confidence that I think it'll work out. We'll see, but we're looking at Clover Health investments, and let's give this a little zoom in. And based on this chart, you can see that this has really taken a hit here. This was a SPAC type stock, one of those SPAC mergers. And was it February, or I guess this June, this thing really took off, and since it has totally bottomed out and then some. And right now it looks like we're starting to form a bottom. Okay, and in addition to that, we're looking at the MACD, which is an indicator. We're getting a bullish crossover with the MACD, and historically, for this stock, that has had some good returns when applying a diagonal strategy or just a straight up naked call. So let's go to the back test. All right, so here's the back test. Okay, I'm using Trade Machine Pro. This is a basically it goes and tests different option strategies by looking at historical data of stocks. Okay, so with that said, we can see here that using this specific strategy, which is a bullish diagonal, and I'll explain more about that. Using this strategy, overall, we've had 4 wins, 1 loss, with a total return of 476%. Okay, and here we can see each time the green arrow signifies when this trade was open. The red arrow signifies when this trade was closed off, I believe. So you can see here we had this bottoming out pattern, and we took the trade, and then boom, took some time to develop. From November 6th took a few days, a couple weeks to develop. So here's another instance. Took the trade here, dropped, but then ultimately ended up going up. Trade here, looks like it popped, and here popped. So this was triggered actually on December 16th, but we're getting the trigger again. But I like this chart because compared to here, I see a lot of similarities, and in addition to that, this stock has really taken quite the hit, and in my opinion, it looks like it's bottomed out. So obviously, stocks can always go lower, but this thing seems to be bottomed out. So let's explain the actual strategy. Okay, so we're looking at a bullish diagonal strategy. So let me explain. Okay, so basically how this works is we're going to take a call option. Okay, we're going to buy a 50 delta call. That's with a 60-day expiration. Okay, then we're going to go and sell. So we're going to short a call that's further out of the money, a 20 delta call, and with a shorter expiration date. This is a diagonal strategy. Okay. All right. Here's Clover. We're going to go to the trade options in Clover, and remember, we're going to get long the 50 delta call. Okay. So I bought a couple. So let's take a look here. So we have a 60 delta call, and then we have a 39, 40 delta call. I end up going with the more in the money call. Okay. And I did look on the back tester. I switched it to 60 delta, and the actual rate of the return was actually a little bit better. So that's a good thing. Next, we're going to sell a call. Okay. So we're going to do, remember, 30 days from today. Today's 22nd, so January 21st is about 30 days, might be exactly 30 days. And we're going to sell the 20 delta. Okay, so 5.5 is the 20 delta call. So that's it. So we're going to select this. We forgot to select the first one, so let's go back to February 18th. Buy the 4. And there you go. This is our profit and loss diagram. The max profit is if the stock gets to the short strike, which is 5.5. And if we go above that strike, no problem. We still have made money. Okay, just ever so slightly less. So right now we're at $4.07. We need the stock to move up 4%, 4.18%. That's what that shows right there, which is a pretty significant move. But where we're at, when we look at that chart, we've really bottomed out, and we also have that MACD indicator. Okay, and there's something else I want to show you about the MACD and why I actually don't trade it that much, but it's pretty powerful. So let's take a look. All right, so this is the back testing company CML. This is their page on their website talking about how powerful the MACD momentum indicator is. That's this chart. This is another indicator. Don't worry about that. So we're just comparing the average return. So the baseline is without using the indicator, just opening the trade whenever, versus using the indicator. And you can see that in the last 3 years, the returns have been a lot better than the baseline. Okay. And then we also show the win rate. We are also increasing our win rate. Much has a better win rate than the others. Okay, so it just shows you how powerful the MACD momentum indicator is, and so yeah, that's it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's sort of the idea. We're getting long a call and short a further out of the money call with a shorter dated expiry to form a diagonal. And that's what we're doing. All right. If you like this stuff, please like and subscribe. And yeah, this is not trading advice, not financial advice. Do your own research. Peace.